Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Teal for matching jobs and tailoring LinkedIn profiles, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start subscribing to Teal for job matching, visit the official Teal website. Navigate to the home page where you'll see an option to create an account. Click on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address and choose a strong password. After filling in your details, click on the Create Account button. Next, check your email for a verification link from Teal. Click on the link to verify your email address. Once verified, log into your Teal account with your credentials. Now that you're logged in, go to the dashboard to find the subscription options. Review the available subscription plans. Select the plan that best fits your needs. Proceed to enter your payment information on the Secure Payment page. Submit your payment to activate your subscription. With your subscription active, explore the job matching features. Teal will prompt you to input your preferences for job types, industries, and roles. Fill in the required fields, including skills and experience. Teal will analyze your profile and match you with relevant job openings. Now, let's focus on tailoring your LinkedIn profile. Log in to your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile page. Begin by updating your headline to reflect your current job search goals. Make sure your summary includes relevant keywords and highlights your key accomplishments. Add your job experience, ensuring each entry is detailed and quantifiable. Include any relevant skills that match the jobs you are applying for. Update your profile photo for a professional appearance. Seek endorsements for your skills from colleagues or peers. Next, join relevant LinkedIn groups to expand your network. Share content that demonstrates your expertise in your field. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.